So the first rule you need to remember when starting a business so that you don't go crazy is this. You can please all the people some of the time, and some of the people all the time, but you can never please all the people all the time. So this video is about me trying to do that. So a few months ago, I made a video about redesigning the tube that we use. We came up with this cool little double-bladed design with my logo in the bottom of it that fixed the problem of hitches not fitting for Toyota 4Runners and a few other ones on our 2-inch receiver. 99% of the people love it. It's worked great. The only people that it hasn't fit in are the people that just didn't understand right off the bat how to adjust the tube, and just an email, bam, fixed, love it. All right. We have had a few complaints recently though about the tube being too long, so I'll show you. So this is the tube going into my 4Runner, which was the biggest problem. 4Runners didn't fit at all, which is why we changed it in the first place. So there's two holes here. This is for the other hitches that do fit, but the bumper's too far out, you know, whatever. So this goes in, second hole, lines up perfectly, fits nice, doesn't rattle around, but it's sticking out about an inch right here. To show you, here is another car in my parking lot. So this is the tube without any adjustment fitting into a Chevy that's also sitting in my parking lot. Goes in, tons of rattle. When I line it back to that first hole, I'm sticking out 1/4 of an inch. Big difference. I went from an inch on my Toyota to 1/4 inch on my Chevy. Fits perfectly. So I'm stuck. I have an interesting problem. I can fix this and make it fit to the 4 or 5 people that complain about it, or I can leave it and let it be perfect for the 95% of people that buy my hitches. So here we go. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to fit between the two worlds. I'm going to try to get it to fit great on my Toyota, and then I'm also going to try to get it to fit on the Chevy and see if I can do them both at the same time without, you know, not fitting on both of them. Which is what I run the risk of doing. I can make the surgery worse than the disease, and nothing can fit for a while, and then I can be really screwed and have all kinds of trouble. We're going to try to make what I call the what I'm going to call the shorty. It's going to be a lot shorter than this, and it will fit on a multitude of receivers without having, you know, a ton of problems. Here is the shorty. It's pretty cute. Little handprint in there. So this now is designed to fit perfectly into my 4Runner. So we'll see how it works. So it slides it in. Here's the first hole. It doesn't pinch at the top. You can make it a little tighter by pulling that out. It slides in there very nicely. There's the first hole. If you have something in the way. If you don't have anything in the way like me right here, you can push it in. Bam. Perfect. Now, to test it on the Chevy. Slides in there. Fits good. We go back to the first hole. Now we're 1/4 of an inch away. Almost exactly the same as what we were before, so let's say we win-win.